In today's video, we are going to be listing the top major markets in Anambra State. Anambra State has long been known as a commercial hub in the southeast of Nigeria, attracting traders, entrepreneurs, and investors from all corners of the country and even beyond. At the heart of this economic powerhouse in Onitsha, a city widely recognized for its vast marketplaces, bustling trade, and commercial vibrancy, these markets have been instrumental in driving economic growth, not just within Anambra State or Nigeria, but across West Africa. Many traders from Cameroon, Ghana, Togo, and other African countries flock to these markets to buy goods in bulk, making them a vital part of regional trade. The markets in Anambra State serve as centers of wholesale and retail trade, accommodating businesses dealing in textiles, electronics, automobile parts, foodstuffs, building materials, and much more. Some of these markets, like the main market Onitsha, have gained international recognition for their immense size and economic activities. Let's take a deep dive into the major markets that have made Anambra State a commercial giant. Main market Onitsha, the biggest market in West Africa, known for its extensive variety of goods from textiles to electronics and household items. At number 2 is Nnewi Auto Parts Market, a hub for automobile parts, manufacturing and engineering, attracting buyers and technicians from all over Africa. Onitsha Bridgehead Market, one of the largest markets in Nigeria, dealing in medicine, pharmaceuticals and general goods. 4. International Electronics Market Onitsha, a major destination for electronic gadgets, accessories and home appliances. 5. Ose Okodo Grocery Market Onitsha, a leading food market offering fresh and processed food items. 6. Iweka Electro Market Onitsha, specializes in electrical components and household wiring materials. 7. Ochanja Market Onitsha, a well-known market dealing in fashion, clothing and accessories. 8. Ogbaru Market, a key trading center known for selling foodstuffs, grains, and provisions. 9. International Building Materials Ogidi, a hub for construction and building materials, serving contractors and developers. 10. Relief Market Onitsha, a bustling market offering various goods including cosmetics and groceries. 11. Ogbuefere Market Onitsha, deals in diverse household items and kitchenware. 12. Stockfish Market Onitsha, a major center for wholesale and retail trading of dried fish and seafood products. 13. Auto Parts Market Obosi, one of the largest auto spare parts markets in Nigeria. 14. New Cosmetic Market Ogidi, specializes in cosmetics, beauty products, and skincare items. 15. Nko Nnewi Market, a vital commercial center in Nnewi, catering to diverse traders and consumers. 16. Eke Oka Main Market, the largest market in Oka, offering a variety of goods, including household items and clothing. 17. Bakery Materials Market Ogidi, a specialized market for bakery ingredients and equipment. 18. Old Parks Market Mpo Onitsha, a marketplace for used auto parts and mechanical accessories. 19. New Parts Market Onitsha, deals in brand new automobile parts and mechanical tools. 20. Upholstery Market Onitsha, specializes in furniture making materials and upholstery items. 21. Plastic Market, a major distributor of plastic household products and packaging materials. 22. Timber Market Oka, a primary destination for timber and wood-based products. 23. Building Material Market Oka, a key market for cement, roofing sheets, and construction materials. 24. New Tires Market Onitsha, specializes in brand new and imported tires for different types of vehicles. 25. Ekolobia Market, a prominent market serving traders in and around Ekolobia. 26. Textile Market Onitsha, a bustling market for fabrics, clothing, and fashion accessories. 27. Pharmaceutical Market Onitsha, a leading distribution center for medical drugs and healthcare products. 28. Marine Modern Market Onitsha, a trading hub known for imported and local seafood products. 29. Computer and Phone Market, the go-to place for computers, phones, and accessories. 30. Iweka Road Nollywood Market, specializes in entertainment-related items, including CDs, DVDs, and film production equipment. Anambra State remains a powerhouse in trade and commerce, playing a crucial role in Nigeria's economy. These markets, especially in Onitsha and Oka, continue to drive economic activities, providing employment and business opportunities for millions of people. Whether it's automotive parts in Nnewi, electronics in Onitsha, or textiles in Oka, these markets serve as vital economic lifelines, contributing significantly to the growth of the Southeast region and beyond. For anyone looking to explore or to do business in the Southeast, Anambra's markets are a must visit. They reflect the true spirit of Igbo entrepreneurship, resilience, and business acumen. I am Faith Carlo, reporting from Ebony People TV.